Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you missed this background, it's back. So I'll be explaining more of that in my next video. Try not to be confused. I would have uploaded my moving video now, but my room is taking some time and I don't want to wait to upload this video and any other videos until one's up. So I might have this one and maybe one more video before my moving one, or maybe my moving video will come after this. I'm not completely sure yet. Anyways, yes, I'm back here. Nice. But I am on food TikTok. I mean, I get a lot of food videos on my For You page. And if you are too, I can guarantee that you've not been able to escape the tomato feta pasta that's been going viral. I scroll down my For You page and there are times when I see 3 videos in a row about this pasta. So I decided that I needed to try it, and this video might be a shorter one just because I'm trying this one recipe. But I thought it would still be better to film because I was going to make it anyway, so I might as well film it. So yeah. I went to the store today, got all the ingredients for the pasta. I'm going to play the original video. It may be with or without audio depending on if it has music in the background because I can't remember because I need to find the original video.
Because of this recipe, the grocery stores in Finland ran out of feta cheese. Here's how to make it. Add tomatoes, olive oil, salt, and pepper to a baking dish. Then add a block of feta cheese right in the middle. Bake at 400 for 35 minutes. When it comes out, add some fresh garlic, fresh basil, and give it all a good mix. Then add some of that cooked pasta right on top and give everything a good mix once again. And then it's time for the taste test. So good.
But I think like 5-ish days ago, this is when it started to blow up, and ever since then I keep seeing it and I just feel like it's a sign that I need to try it. So I think I'm gonna get started on making it. The ingredients are insanely simple, so what you're gonna need is some pasta, of course. I'm using penne, but you can use whatever shape you prefer. You're gonna need some tomatoes. So I got some organic grape tomatoes and other types of tomatoes. I don't really know, they're mixed, 3 different types. So I got those, and then you're going to need a block of feta cheese. Of course, I am making this vegan, so I'm using the BioLife feta cheese. Everything that I've ever had from BioLife is amazing, and I've been wanting to try this. Actually, I've never had this before. I've been wanting to try it, but I didn't know like what to use it for, and I didn't want to buy a whole block of feta cheese because I know nobody in my family would eat it. And I didn't know what to do with a whole block of feta, but now I get to test it out because I found a recipe that uses it all. And then some garlic, olive oil, salt and pepper, and that is it. You also do need basil, but I forgot. So when it's in the oven, I'm gonna go run to the store, get some basil, come back, and then I will have the basil. I just don't have it right now to show you, but pretend like I have basil. Gonna start by washing my tomatoes. I almost forgot to do that. Okay, now that these are all clean, I am just going to pour them into the pan. Okay, and then I'm gonna open up the feta. I'm very excited for this. I am extremely confused. It says open here, and so I'm pulling, and it is opening nothing. It's just like ripping off a sticker, so I'm just gonna cut into it. Okay, now I have my block of vegan feta. It is time to place it in the pan as well. Just right in the middle. And then I'm gonna cut off the top of this garlic and then just place it in. And it's time for a drizzle of olive oil. I'm gonna try to mix all of the tomatoes in the oil and then dip the top of the garlic in it. And now that we have that, all I need to do is add on the pepper and salt. I'm using garlic salt, but you could use whatever type you want. And then that's like it. Very simple. This already smells so good, it's not even baking yet. But for the baking, every single video kind of says something a little bit different. The one that I'm gonna go with says 400 degrees for 40 minutes. So I'm gonna preheat the oven right now. Put this in the oven once it's preheated for 40 minutes, and then at the last 10, 15-ish minutes, I'm going to start to boil my pasta, but right now I'm actually gonna head to the store to get my basil because I forgot it. So I went to the store to go get my basil. I get to the store, I go in, go to the back, go to the back where all of the herbs are, and I go look on the wall, and there's the sky is pink and purple right now. Okay, it didn't look that good on camera, but in person it looks pretty, I promise. Anyways, go to the store, go see all the herbs. There's probably like 10 different herbs, and there's no basil, just no basil at all. And so I'm standing there, and like, I really do not want to drive to another store. Like, I just don't want to do that. Then I'm about to leave the store and I did see the basil. It was like in its own section. I don't know why they did that, but anyways, yes, basil, have that. Pasta's boiling. I just had my alarm go off, as you heard, and I think that means it's time to take out the tomato, feta stuff, mix it all together, add the basil, and then we're good. Quite excited. Whoa, okay, well, no. So I think that because it is vegan feta, it melted a bit differently. Fork, mash, and then squeeze out the garlic. I hope I made enough pasta because this is like kind of a lot of sauce. Oh well, time to drain the pasta. And I'm going to pour it into the sauce. I'm going to chop up some of the basil, add it on top, and honestly, that's kind of it. Gonna mix it one last time and then taste it. So I served myself a bowl of it, and I'm going to let you know if it's worth the hype or not. So here's the thing. It tastes amazing. Like, it's super, super good. The only thing is that for vegan feta, I would add probably half the amount of olive oil that I did, just because I did not realize how much the vegan feta melts. It becomes like very oily itself, so I don't think I need the olive oil because the sauce is a little too thin. I wish it was thicker, so just by reducing the amount of olive oil, it would make it better, but it tastes good. Like, I think it's popular for a reason. So yeah, I'm gonna eat this and enjoy my night. So thank you so much for watching. Let me know when other viral recipes come out if I should test them. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video.